Now what we're going to learn is something called the PF snare. The PF snare sounds like this. Poof, 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 poof. What we're going to do with that snare is we're going to put that into our beat. But first of all, let's deconstruct this sound. I want you guys to do this and go, poof, just a normal kick drum. Poof, poof. Fantastic. Now add the word F. Awesome. Now what we're going to do is put them together. And we're going to say the word puff. So we're going to start off slow. Puff, puff, puff. We're going to speed it up. Puff, 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 Yo, make sure you follow Tangent on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Just like that.